I want to give you a clear message today about the European Yoga Association. I want to say that I no longer recognize or support the ECGA in any way. They are not connected to me, my family, or official Dongguan Zhaogao Taolong system. I also want to make something very clear about Chris Butler, known as Kai Feng. He was never appointed by me as a disciple, a teacher, or an official of Zhaoga. He was never organized in Wafu, Qigong, or anything from me. His route was only simple, administrative, and managed, held to the association, nothing more, and never had permission to speak for me or claim representation for the system. From today, I officially remove my flag, any title, or any honors that were connected with him or with the ECGA. Anyone who continues to use the ECGA name or say they are not the member of the ECGA is not recognized by me or by the official Dongguan Zhaogao family.